Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I introduce the Geographic Information System. What is Geographic Information System? GIS consists of three words like geographic, information, and system. GIS is a computer system that is able to collect, store, manage, analyze, and display geographic information, that is, identify data relative to their geographic location. Types of data in GIS: spatial data and non-spatial data. Spatial data such as vector, raster, and DEM. And non-spatial data, alphabetical or numerical data available in that database, like attribute table. The Geographic Information System has 5 components such as hardware, software, data, method, and people.